Hello and welcome to RAFLIMS. This is Farooq Hussain and today we are going to discuss Integrated Library System or Integrated Library Management System. As an abbreviation or in short form we call it ILS. So what is an ILS? It is actually an integrated set of applications that designed to perform the business and technical functions of a library, including acquisition, cataloging, circulation, and the provisions of public access. It is like a relational database that designed on different modules, and each module is connected with others following some standards and protocols for the worldwide uniformity. We all know there are two types of library system or any system. One is vendor system where you need to pay some license agreement to that particular vendor. The other is free and open source system. We call it FOSS. Integrated library system is not your digital library system. It is actually to manage the library operations such as patrons and membership, cataloging and catalog, circulation of books and fine collection, and various types of reports. 1960 was the beginning decades of integrated library system when Dr. Heeman, the director of University of Chicago Library, submitted a proposal to design a computer-based bibliographic data system to the National Science Foundation in 1965. OCLC in 1967 was in fact the primary segment of an integrated system. 1968, the Library of Congress adopted the Mark II format and started the distribution service. Integrated library system introduced as one of the exclusive products that owned and controlled by a single vendor, and libraries remain dependent on that particular vendor for any development or solution to any operational or administrative issue. Therefore, a number of libraries welcomed and implemented the free and open source system to experience the freedom with the same level of satisfaction without the dominancy of that particular vendor. There's a slight difference between free and open source software. The concept of free software is originally associated with the openness of source code to a client to modify the software for republishing or to integrate with some other software. However, this concept has changed to free and open source software. Now, a free software is look like a freeware that can be downloaded, installed, used, and shared at no cost. But the source code are protected by the license agreement. Whereas free and open source software, FOSS, allows users and programmers to edit, modify, and reuse the software's source code. This is something like you are using WhatsApp and Facebook app, but you cannot modify them. Even you cannot change the logo. But when you use the free and open source software like Koha, you are allowed to do that. Here we have few important FOSS ILS: Koha, PHP My Bibli, Open Biblio, Slims, Evergreen, NewGenLib. Those we will discuss in upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Take care and stay tuned till the next video.